Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade pho. First, select high-quality beef bones, such as knuckle or marrow bones, for the deepest flavor. Next, char your onions and ginger until slightly blackened to unlock their sweet and pungent aromas. Finally, toast whole spices like star anise, cinnamon sticks, and cloves to infuse your broth with an authentic, warm fragrance. Once your bones, aromatics, and spices are combined, cover them with water and bring to a gentle simmer. Allow the broth to cook for at least 3 hours or even longer for a more intense flavor. Remember to skim any foam or impurities that rise to the surface to keep your broth beautifully clear. After simmering, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve. While your broth simmers, prepare the other components. Cook your rice noodles according to package directions until they are just tender, then drain them thoroughly. For the beef, thinly slice a tender cut like sirloin or eye of round. The hot broth will cook it perfectly. Gather your fresh toppings, including cilantro, basil, bean sprouts, and lime wedges. Now for the best part, assembly. Place a generous portion of cooked rice noodles into a large bowl, followed by your thinly sliced raw beef. Ladle the piping hot, aromatic broth directly over the beef and noodles. The heat will gently cook the meat to perfection. Garnish with your fresh herbs, bean sprouts, and a squeeze of lime. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade pho.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.